Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the genetic programming. So genetic programming is a technique to create algorithms that can program themselves by simulating biological breeding and Darwin evolutions. Genetic programming is a type of evolutionary algorithm, a subset of machine learning. Evolutionary algorithms are used to discover solutions to problems humans do not know how to solve directly. So such type of problem we can solve by genetic programming. So genetic programming is a form of evolutionary computation in which the individual in the evolving population are computer programs. So here are the computer programs rather than bit strings. Genetic programming only provides a general objective and let the model figure out the detail itself. So the basic approach is to let the machine automatically test very simple evolutionary algorithms and then breed the most successful programs in the new generation, while applying the same natural selection, crossover and mutations. So how the genetic program represents? So genetic program are typically represented by the trees and corresponding to the parts tree of the program. So each function's call is represented by a node in the tree and the argument of the function are given by its descendant nodes. So how we represent the function in the tree form? Suppose in this example, sin x plus under root x square plus y is a function. How we represent this function in a tree form? To apply a genetic programming to a particular domain, the user must define the primitive functions to be considered. For example, sin x cos x under root plus minus exponential as well as the terminals x, y and constants such as 2. So as in a genetic program algorithm, the prototypical genetic programming algorithm maintain a population of individual. On each iteration, it produces a new generation of the individuals using selection, crossover, and mutation. So the function is sin x plus under root के अंदर x square plus y square. So we in the plus sign is assigned here, and in the left side of the plus sign is sign of x. So sign is a function and x is a variable, and in the right side root plus power y and x and 2. So the representation of this function is in the genetic programming is like this. So terminal represents constant or variables, and primitive functions are represented by the non-leaf node. So the non-leaf node are plus, sine, under root, power, and the terminal leaf node are x, 2 and y. So to calculate the fitness of the program is determined by executing the programs on a set of training data, and crossover can be performed by replacing randomly chosen subtree of one program to another program. So let us consider. So here we perform the crossover, and we double circle that part which we have to cross over. So crossover operation applied to two parent programs trees that are on the top, and crossover points is represented by the double circle are chosen at random. The subtree rooted at these crossover points are then exchanged to create the offspring of the tree. After performing the crossover, we have interchanged that particular part of the tree to reach the desired goal. So to set up a genetic program, we have to follow the following steps: specific terminal, and define initial primitives and choose fitness measure, and any special performance parameter for controlling the execution, and select terminal criteria and method for reaching the goal. Thank you.